Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all my dear friends. Today I am here to present my presentation regarding the topic Importance of 21st Century Skills. The first skill of 21st century skills is coding. Coding is the best way to learn about the computer. Nowadays, children are also learning about the coding. Coding plays an important role in students as well as college students' life because on our coding skills only our job pay will be there. And the second skill is financial management. Financial management in abroad, there is a best course, and all of the students in the abroad were studying about the financial management. By using the financial management, we can apply in our daily lives. We can reduce our expenses and we can increase our savings as much as possible. And the third one is stock market. The stock market plays an important role in everyone's life, like the job. The students and the persons who are going to job, they were also investing and saving their money in the stock market. By learning in the depth of stock market, we can invest more and more and we can earn more profits. It is the best way to compound our money. And the third one is e-commerce. E-commerce is a website by which we can learn new skills and we can learn about the business. It is the best way for the people who want to start a business company like that. And the fourth one is speaking skills. If everybody know everything like coding skills, e-commerce and the stock market, if they don't know how to speak in the public, they can't earn a single penny. They can invest and they can earn money, but they don't have any reputation because nowadays the society is seeing us like seeing the people who don't know about the speaking skills like what we should say. They don't have about the speaking skills means the society was seeing the people like they don't know like anything like brutes they were seeing. If we know speaking skills, we can earn a high paid job as well as we can earn a better reputation from a company. And by using speaking skills, in a survey they had done that they had taken 100 people. In that 50 people know how to speak and the 50 people know how to code. In that they conduct a survey and they said that all the people who know speaking skills got the job and the person who had coding skills had only 30% of them got in that 50 members. So what I want to say is from this presentation, if we know any skill, but speaking skill is the main thing for us to learn. First we should learn speaking skills and we should learn all this. If anybody has doubts, they can ask me now in my presentation. Nobody has no doubts? Thank you for being patient and listening to my fruitful presentation. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for giving me this better opportunity.